Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is 12th January 2022. First thing is today market Bank Nifty and Nifty both are opened with gap up. Okay. What I feel there is possible to fill the gap today. So if here the first 5 minutes candle low breakout pattern happen, we will enter in a put option and at that time our main target is gap low, not maybe S3 is the first target and gap low is the second target. But unfortunately, first 5 minutes candle low not allow the market to go down, and here the first 5 minutes candle high breakout pattern happen. That means the green color candle break the first 5 minutes candle high, and next candle also green opened and close above the first 5 minutes candle high. So it fulfill the three condition, and I feel market will go up to this resistance line, and after that it will reach the second resistance. That means this is target 1 and this is target 2. But unfortunately next candle it hit our stop loss. If you make a big stop loss also, it will easily hit in this candle. At the same time our call option not cross the first 5 minutes candle high and low, so that is option premium heavily going on. I noticed that. After that what I feel, if the first 5 minutes candle low breakout happen, that time we will enter in a put option for gap filling strategy. But today that not happened anywhere. After that I will not ready to once again in this first 5 minutes candle high breakout pattern, because there is very near to this resistance line. Okay. After that here the first 5 minutes candle high rejection pattern happen at 11:25, but at the same time Nifty 50 at 11:25 Nifty 50 trade above the first candle high. So there is high possible for taking support at first 5 minutes candle high and move upside. I already informed that in my Telegram group also. So after that there is from that onwards at the same time the market is reverse from this particular area. So if you treated as this is a support line, market once again reverse from here. So the best entry is first, it's not happened anymore, so there is no entry in Bank Nifty candle high rejection pattern happen, but same second candle hit the target also, but so we cannot enter in this trade. Here at the end of the market it once again make the pattern, but after 3 o'clock we will not enter in any trade. There is only two opportunity happened in Nifty only. Here the first 5 minutes candle high breakout pattern happened and it moved up to 1820, that means 1140, and once again here the high rejection pattern happened and stop loss hit. At the same place high breakout pattern happened, it moved little much well. Okay. So overall today is a not perfect trading day for me and our pattern, due to the gap up I concentrate in a put side, but there is no perfect entry. I get it in a downside pattern. Thank you.